As a Colonial Life policyholder, you can file claims online in just a few minutes, helping you get the benefits you need faster. To get started, visit us at coloniallife.com and click on File a Claim. If you haven't already, you'll need to register your account. Simply enter your name, social security number, and date of birth to identify yourself. Once logged in, choose the type of claim you're starting: medical, dental, or life. Then choose who the claim is for, yourself or a family member. If the family member is not listed, you can add them, but you may have to wait for them to be confirmed in our system. This can take up to 24 hours. Next, answer a few questions about your event. Don't worry if you don't have all the information needed. You can save your progress and come back later when you're ready. Just click Save and Continue. You can come back to finish the claim for up to 1 month. We'll ask you to review all the information provided. If you miss any questions, this will be indicated in red. You must answer these questions to complete the claim. We may need documents to support your claim. The requirements checklist will list everything needed. You can add a document by dragging and dropping it into the indicated space, or clicking Upload Files and selecting the document from your phone or computer. Once we have all the information necessary, you can submit your claim. Your claim will be sent to a specialist for review. It may take up to 24 to 48 hours for it to become available online. We aim to have all claims reviewed within 5 to 7 business days. If your specialist needs more information, they'll send you a notification by text or email, depending on your chosen preference. You can check the status of your claim anytime on Colonial Life for policyholders. When life gets complicated, benefits should be simple. That's why Colonial Life is available for you online anytime.